Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Beauty Beyond Lifestyle. I hope you all are doing good, and if you're new to my channel, it's me Tanushri. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel and to hit the bell icon so that you get a notification when I post a video. So today's video is all about a Nykaa haul, and it is their Holi Hangama sale which started from March 22nd to March 31st. So this video will be going live on my channel today. So if you want something, if it's something is your favorite, you want to grab them, you can grab them now because today is the last day for you to purchase them. In fact, they're having 40 to 50% off on most of the brands. Okay, so let's get started. So I have purchased a few new products which I want to try, and I have restocked a few products which I was using already. So the first one is this Nykaa body mist. This is from their Wanderlust Hawaiian Jasmine flavor. Okay, body mist is nothing but you take shower and you just apply this for that refreshment what you get. So body mist is for that, and this was priced at 500 rupees and I have got it for 400 on a discount, and this has 3 years of shelf life, and this product is amazing. In fact, I'm liking it a lot. Okay, the next product is this one. So everybody knows this is in a hype these days now. So it is their L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence Smoothing Plus Radiance. So it is a moisturizer. It is a water-based moisturizer, which I am liking it. Earlier I had ordered the smaller one to try how it is, and then I really liked it and I ordered the bigger one. So this is the glass bottle packaging. So this is priced at 1400 and I have got it at 1120 rupees. And yes, I like this product. So I will give the reviews of this separately, not now because the video is going to become too big. Okay, the next one is the Garnier Skin Natural Micellar Oil Infused Cleansing Water. So most of you know about this, and I have been using this for a very long time and I have restocked it. It removes your waterproof makeup. So I will give the individual review on a separate video. This has 400 ml of product quantity, and this is priced at 399 and I have got it 259 rupees. So this was a good deal. Okay, the next product is again from L'Oreal Paris. It is the Revitalift 1.5% Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Okay, so I have got the smaller version because I wanted to try this, how it is and how it works for my skin, and only then I want to review it. So I will review in a separate video about this product. It comes with 15 ml product quantity and it is priced at 499, but I have got it for 449 rupees on discount. And this comes in a glass bottle packaging. It is very tiny one. It comes in two sizes. One is a bigger one and one is a smaller one. So I just took the smaller one to try first. So yeah, a separate video will be coming up for this. Okay, the next product is from Calabar. It is their on the go makeup remover wipes. This is how it looks. It is for all skin types and it comes with 30 wipes and removes waterproof makeup. Trust me, this is one of my favorite wipes, I can tell you. I have been using from such a long time, and wherever I go I just carry this and I am sorted to remove my makeup. And this is priced at 250 rupees and I have got it for 200 rupees on sale. Okay, the next product is again from Calabar. This is the product. So this is hand cream. I love hand cream. So I will give you a separate video for this one. So if you can grab it, you get 3 variant of hand creams with different flavors. So this is priced at 825 rupees, but then you get for 660 rupees on discount. It is actually a great discount. I have tried their fruit drop hand cream earlier and it was really good, very hydrating. And this time I just want to try this one because it is a new version of hand cream and it is very tiny and you can carry in your wallet or purse if you're going. So I am crazy about hand cream, so I've just ordered this. So let's see how it goes and I'll give you a detailed review about this one. Okay, the next product is from the Nykaa Luxe store. So here it is. It comes separately in this kind of a box. I have got this card along with it. Okay, and a tiny little cover in which I have this one. Okay, so this is an amazing product. It's a mini version. It is the Hoola Benefit. It is from the brand Benefit. The contour powder or the bronzing powder, you can take it as a bronzing powder. So yes, I was trying it and I love it. I lost one of my Hoola bronzer, so I just wanted to get another one. It comes in two sizes. One is a bigger one and the other one is a smaller one. This comes with 4 grams of product. It is very tiny, and just look at the packaging. It comes with a tiny little mirror here with the brush. They provide the brush as well, and the product is here. So yes, keep waiting for the detailed review about this. One of my favorite. I have restocked it. Okay, the next product is from Nivea. Okay, so I think most of you guessed it. It is very essential and I have restocked it. I have been using this for almost like 3 to 4 years now, and before this I used to use their roll-ons, which is really very good. Keeps you fresh and you don't get, you know, dark underarms, and you don't get that odor when you sweat. So it's natural, everybody, you know, sweat and has that body odor, but to get rid of it you must use this and see once. It is really good. So this is one priced at 209 and I have got it for 167 rupees. I have got 2 variants in this. One is the whitening smooth skin for even toned underarms, and one is a fresh natural long lasting freshness. So both are has 0% of alcohol and it has 48 hours of protection. So you can go for this. I like this. Okay, last but not the least, I got this Pond's with Vitamin Micellar Water, the brightening rose version. I have restocked it. I have been using their charcoal one as well and I really like it. So I will give you a detailed review separately. Okay, so the video doesn't get longer. So yes, this is one, and this is of 105 ml product, the smaller one. This is it's for 125 rupees. Works good, I'll let you know. And all these products I have got in this kind of a packaging from Nykaa. The packaging is really good and they have changed from bubble wrap and plastic covers to, you know, from the normal paper ones, which is a really good thing. And if you're ordering something from the Lux store, they give you the Lux box. So here it is. Yes guys, I hope this video will be helpful to you, and do grab your stuff as soon as possible. Today is the last day of the sale, and if you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and keep looking gorgeous. Thank you.